Hello friends, Namaste, good afternoon. Welcome to my weekly chart analysis video for Nifty this week, the week starting September 11th. So let's talk about it. So this is the weekly chart and weekly candles that I've displayed on this screen right now. If you guys see carefully, Nifty from the week, let me just put a pen marker here. So if you check here, Nifty from the week of 20th March has started, rising and gave a one-way movement. There was not even a single week where Nifty closed below the previous week's green candle, right? So it is a one-way movement. So whoever has taken a position, they can continue. They could have taken the continued stop losses, for the previous week candle, and they've enjoyed the rally big time. Okay, so now if I just zoom in a little bit, so because of this one-way rally, Nifty has given a flag pattern here. So this was a beautiful flag pattern that was creating over the last 5 weeks. So 5 weeks Nifty has given closed in red, and this has been a very unusual thing. This has never happened over the last 2 or 3 years. It happened once in COVID times where Nifty closed 6 weeks in red, but since then this is the first time Nifty closed in a red over the last 5 weeks, and this is a very nice, clear, healthy correction that we saw in Nifty post such a big rally over the last few months. Now when Nifty created this flag pattern, it also created this inverted hammer candle, right? This particular candle showed that now there could be a stop or a decline. There will be a full stop to the further decline, right? But we also needed a confirmation. So that confirmation happened last week when Nifty made this green candle, and this was a much required relief, for the investors who were looking at the continuous decline and fretting over it. So this green candle kind of made a confirmation, but we also needed to ensure that this could either trap the traders or investors. So we also need to ensure that it breaks out of this particular weekly inverted hammer candle. So that breakout happened now in this week. So this week we not just broke out of this inverted hammer candle pattern, but we also broke out of this flag pattern that I was talking about, right? So this flag pattern breakout happened, inverted hammer candle breakout happened, and we went up and closed around 384 points up, which is almost a 2% rally that we saw in Nifty this week. Now this is a very nice breakout. For the next week, I think Nifty can continue to rise. There is no reason for traders turning bearish. It is all bullish bias now. The mild resistance I see in Nifty would be between this area, 1888. If you check my Thursday's video for Friday's forecast, I gave the targets for Nifty for 18888, right? And that's exactly what happened. Nifty touched the high of 19867, sorry, not 18888. So 19888 was the target that I gave. So Nifty touched the high of 19867 and closed at around 19819. So again, this particular region can continue to show resistance, a mild resistance, though. As I said, we have broken out of a very, very long flag pattern and an inverted hammer candle pattern over the last few weeks now, and this breakout was much required. Now this is confirmed, so this particular piece can turn out to be a minor resistance, which is nothing but 19850 and 19880, or I would say 19900 levels. As soon as the Nifty will break out of this level, you can see the next rally towards the highs of the Nifty, that is 19990. So 20,000 will turn out to be the big resistance. That is the previous high. I mean, for next week, I can give the targets of at least 20,000. If we broke out of 20,000 level as well, so the next rally I can, then we can easily forecast Nifty to go 122 as the next level, or 20,250 levels. So for me, the next, once we close out of this resistance, the next rally could be around 2120 to 2250 levels as targets for the next week. On the downside, if in case we see some consolidation, and after the consolidation Nifty breaks down, as I said, it is a bullish bias, so it will be a buy on dips market. Then if Nifty falls on you, the first resistance you will see here at the 19,500 levels, 19,450, 500, 550 levels. This is continuing to hold a very strong resistance, and this is, as I said, it's a weekly candle, weekly basis, not on a daily basis, right? So you can see some support here, and once it dips here, I'll see Nifty going back up and testing this resistance level again. So I don't see reason why it should fall. And in case Nifty starts closing, hang on, let me just show you. In case Nifty starts closing below 19,500, 450, 500 levels, then we can see some selling pressure coming below 19,433, and that can, as I said, there are multiple supports, but that can still take Nifty down to 294, 300 levels. But again, not a lot of bearish sentiments here. We can continue to see the rise in Nifty, and after some consolidation maybe on the levels that I shared earlier, we can see this first target as 20,000. If we manage to break the resistance area of 19,888, 19,900, the first target will be 20,000, 19,990 as the the previous high. And if we manage to cross that, then 2122 and 2250 will be the next two targets for the next week. All right, friends, thank you so much for your time watching this video. Do not forget to click on subscribe button. Please like my videos if you like it, and please put in the comments if you want to share any feedback or discuss about the targets. Thanks so much.